Obsidian Note Taking App. Let's get started. So, Obsidian is a powerful note taking and knowledge management app that has gained popularity among professionals, researchers, and productivity enthusiasts. It offers local first and privacy focus. They also have bidirectional linking and graph view. It is also high customizable, and they have offline access, and they have advanced features for power users. Now, although they have good and advanced pros, they have a lot of cons as well. So first, we have a steeper learning curve, so it's not that easy to use. It also have a limited collaboration features, a mobile app limitation, and they have no native cloud syncing. So Obsidian is a robust tool for individuals seeking customizable privacy-centric note-taking solution. Its strength lies in its flexibility and the ability to create a personalized knowledge management system. However, it may not be the best fit for those looking for straightforward and collaboration features or a minimal learning curve.